Our road trip brings us to the seaside town of Aberystwyth. Here in Wales, 1 in 4 people work in the public sector. This part of the coastline is in a Liberal Democrat constituency, and the message from their leader today is that public sector staff deserve and will get a better deal.
Under our plans, we will give all public sector workers, from teachers and nurses to soldiers and police officers, pay rises that will at least keep pace with the cost of living. That means no more pay cuts for public sector workers and no more pay freezes or below inflation pay rises.
With inflation currently as flat as the waters here, the pledge does need to be seen in the long term, with above-inflation rises eventually promised. So is the promise being heard and believed?
We work for the NHS, and yet we've been hard done by.
You're ready for a pay rise?
We are.
I have had something, yeah. Probably not. I think it was about 1%. So yeah.
What do you make of this pledge?
Yeah, very good, very good. I hope it comes about, but we'll see who wins the election.
I don't personally believe it. Inflation at the minute's 0%, isn't it? So you're not going to get much of a pay rise, are you? You're not going to get.
I believe it when I see it, but
sceptical.
I am, but who isn't these days? There's a lot of promises, a lot of broken promises. So we'll see.
Do you believe a pledge like this?
I don't know whether we should believe anything that the politicians say, but we're hopeful.
The Liberal Democrats say the plans are affordable and that public sector staff have made enough sacrifices. Those 1 in 4 Welsh workers will be hoping that wherever the power goes, the tide turns on wages. Peter Lane, 5 News.